निकाल के बताओ,
आवाज ना कर दो,
निकाल के बताओ ना,
आवाज ना कर दो, निकली जैसे कपड़ा तारा।
आप किससे बात कर रहे हो ये पता है? मैं खुद, मेरा भाई पुलिस में है,
अरे
ये पता है आपको?
झूठ तोड़ता है, झूठ। चल निकल, तारा भाई पुलिस है, तारा करे मर्दानगी से। टिकट लेना है,
महिलाएं खड़ी हैं, परेशान हो रही है।
Wow. Always stuff like this happening. So we made it to Jaisalmer, the golden city, and as you can see it's surrounded by the Thar desert. And all the buildings, well, most of the buildings are made from sandstone, making the city look somewhat golden. This is the fort. What's cool about the Jaisalmer fort is it was built in the 12th century, and it's a living fort, which means people are still living in it, and actually our accommodation in the fort. We're at the very top of it, looking nice on the edge of India in Rajasthan. So this area is quite touristy. Many tourists visit here for camel safaris. You can go maybe like 30-40 kilometers more into the desert, and there's many camel safaris and like, you know, camping, desert camping stuff. But we just want to ride a camel, check out the sand, see the desert. I think we'll have to go a bit further though, so maybe we'll do it today or not. We see some nice sights here. We'll take a walk around the fort. So it's a good 2-day trip. So stay tuned. So this is the Caldara Archaeological Museum. So we have some ancient remains from the Jaisalmer area. There's some old remains like this, pretty cool, alongside a restored part. I think this part is restored. You see a Hindu temple in the back. I think this is one of the popular destinations that all the desert tourists take you. I think they'll package tours. You go to the archaeological site, you go to the natural lake, and then you do a sunset camel safari, which is what we're doing. Usually not my style, but we'll see, we'll see. We're going into some building. Well, some old buildings, if you can see. Yeah, decent enough. Oh, I feel like all the archaeological sites look the same at the end of the day. None of them are so unique. I feel like, yeah, most archaeological remains look the same. Of course, this one is in the desert. You can see everything is made from sandstone. It's golden. You can go up. Go up these floating stairs.
Oh wow. Very goldenistic.
Yeah. Have the Hindu temple there, and wow, lots of remains. It's a big area. Yep. Used to be a city and a settlement. So allegedly this is a natural lake. Not that big or anything. It's okay, but whether it's natural or not, I think it's been here for a while because there's some trees starting to look like a desert. Lots of bushes. Yeah, looks okay, but it's just a lake, nothing special. Lake in the desert, isn't that called an oasis? Some decoration. It's a Hindu altar. There's broken glass in the altar.
Camel. It's hungry. Finally, we're here.
Yeah, I go here, yeah?
in front seat. Yeah. Just careful, okay? Like motorbike. Yeah. So please, bro, hold tight and lean back. Do like this. Yeah. So ready?
શિયાળ આપણું કરણું જરૂરી હોય.
Oh my leg. That's a long leg.
Ma'am, you are holding tight, little lean back.
How's the camel ride?
It's good. It's like a horse.
Yeah? But it's more bumpy, no? Well, not really. Horse is also quite bumpy. A little camel. We're going to the dunes now. The sun is setting soon, as you can see. I don't like the windmills though. But over here there's no windmills. He got car sick. Hopefully he'll come. Camel friend is behind. Hopefully he'll make it.
Bro, hold tight, okay? Yeah, and
hold
lean
tight.
back.
Yeah, good. Not bad, right? You look hot. I think you have the biggest one. I think I do, yeah. Yours is the tallest, then. It looks the nicest.
It's a watermelon.
Watermelon.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, watermelon.
Yeah. Look at it. Yeah, it seems to be growing here.
Yeah, the melons.
You can eat it.
Oh. Pretty hot sand.
Yeah.
Look.
Wow.
Yeah, it's gonna go pretty deep. I have to go to the top.
Can I go to the top?
So we're here in Rajasthan, near the Pakistan border in the Thar Desert. And yeah, look at these beautiful dunes. Just the desert and the sunset. There's a lot of green here. Yeah, it's very nice up here. It's perfect. This desert has a lot of green areas. So it's hard to get perfect dunes like this. And it's still not perfect. It's not like what you would expect of the Sahara. There's our camels over there. But yeah, it's still nice. We can go to the top of the dunes. Thank God it's not windy. That would have been bad.
Yeah, I think.
Up through here, yeah. So So this is the Tharzet Desert, the 9th biggest desert in the world. Wow. So this is the Raja Mahal inside Jaisalmer Fort. Looks nice. Looks nice. Yeah, the whole fort is just completely made from sandstone. Everything inside, it's very commercialized. But yeah, this is one spot that's nice. The Raja Mahal. We've passed here a few times. Yeah, very nice. The Golden City they call it because of this. Maybe we can go inside. Yeah, the whole fort is historic, made 800 years ago. I don't know about this part, but it looks good. Shall we check inside or what? So we continue to walk in the Golden City Fort. Later we'll show you what it looks like from the outside. Right now we're on the inside. Maybe we go to the left. Some good design. I think the outside is much better than what it was inside though. Very commercialized though. It's a full tourist city. Even on couchsurfing you can only find people in the tourist industry. Panorama Jaisalmer. Maybe it's a viewpoint. Not that we didn't have it from the restaurant already. Yeah, there's a cannon. Wow, so many people. Yeah. Panoramic view. Too many people.
Yes, you can take a proper picture.
The fort exploration continues as we go through an alley. What is here? Will we find anything?
It's a lot of trash.
Yeah, lots of rubbish. The corner of the fort.
Spitting now.
People spitting from the top at us.
Spitting from the top, yeah.
Interesting.
This is a cool part of the fort actually. You can see the old structure.
Yeah, you really can. Yeah. Hopefully no one is spitting from above.
Yeah, we should keep looking up just to be safe.
Yeah. It is a cool part though, actually.
It's might be one of my favorite places within the fort so far.
Me too, me too.
It's very quiet and it does make you feel like you're inside the fort.
Not only shops that are selling a bunch of random things.
Yeah, like the rocks and coasters made of rock.
Yeah.
This really does make you feel like you're inside the fort.
It does. You can see through it as well.
This is a really cool place actually.
Yeah, it is. Are these rocks from 800 years ago? I doubt it, but...
Well, the fort is 800 years old.
Yeah, but it's got to be restored and...
Yeah, probably partially.
Yeah.
This is definitely my favorite part. It really makes you feel like you're inside the fort.
It does.
Yeah, the rest of the fort is more of a city vibe.
Yeah, it's like a town marketplace.
Yeah, exactly.
A living fort. Oh, wow, you can see the other side of the fort from here. Yeah, very nice structure. It's a large fort. You can see the traffic down there. Yeah, it's been a nice walk in the fort. Let's see.
By far my favorite one.
Yeah, I agree. Get another view angle from over here, maybe? No one comes here. Oh, wow, that's cool. That part. I think that's where we were, no? From a distance, yeah. It's a really cool fort. Wow, very golden when the sun is hitting. You can see the old structures behind me. That place, very beautiful. Are these cannonballs?
Yeah.
They are cannonballs, I believe. Let me climb up here. Very good view of the golden city. It does look kind of golden. It's not my definition of golden. It's a bit more yellow, but I'll give it to them. Pigeons. So this is a Hindu temple inside the fort. It's in the middle of these tiny streets. Yeah, the whole area is like this, basically. Lots of pigeons. Which way should we walk? This way?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright. Hotel Temple View. What do you think? Jaisalmer, I like it, but it's a bit too commercialized.
It is. It's definitely.
It doesn't
more...
feel like a real city.
True.
It feels kind of fake, and to an extent.
Yeah. It definitely feels more commercialized than Jaipur and Jodhpur.
Yeah, for sure.
Jaipur and Jodhpur felt a bit more authentic.
True. Especially Jaipur, I think.
Yeah.
Even Andaman.
Yeah, Andaman as well, absolutely.
Yeah. Oh?
We serve real espresso.
Real espresso and cappuccino. Wow.
Really?